Well, I would really like today we should talk about NIFT entrance exam for BDES now, because that's coming on Sunday, and we are here, especially we call Ria here to talk about that entrance exam, because she herself has given 2 years before. Now she is in NIFT, so she is having a that experience as well, and she is associated with PAHAL as well.
Yeah.
So now she is going to share with you what she has done in the exam and what you should do for this exam.
So it's my 3rd year in NIFT, and I have been associated with Krishna Sir since past 3 years, and I've also prepared for NIFT. At that time I was in my 12th standard and I was preparing for my science field because I was going to be an engineer, which I didn't want to do. So how I prepared was, it was very difficult for me being a science student and preparing for design thinking and technologies. As we know, 50% is CAT, 30% is GAT, and 20% is a situation test which you will give after you have been selected from the written exam. So for the GAT paper, you have to have good knowledge about aptitude, English, general knowledge and mathematics. So it's very basic that you must be knowing. There are many books that we refer to for going for this examination.
Yeah, we give booklet and all. That's
yeah, because that 30% is very important. They judge you on the basis of your aptitude and your level of solving the problems quickly, because those are MCQs. You have to fill in very quickly. For the CAT part, there are many questions. They ask about the color theory,
yes,
and which I didn't have knowledge about earlier.
Okay, let's talk here about, like, you said the quickly and correctly for the GAT entrance exam, like, GAT paper. But the first paper, they have 3-hour drawing in exam.
Yeah,
What do you think about the CAT and what you have done first? Because you are in NIFT Bangalore, you got a good rank from general category.
Yeah.
So in the general category, getting into NIFT Bangalore, it's a dream for more than 1,000 students from across this country. So what do you suggest them? What they should do for their CAT paper?
For CAT, my ideology was that there are 4 to 5 sections in CAT that you have to think about. There are some technical issues, like you have to know about the color theory, as I said earlier.
Okay.
Then the sketching part, they give you some story that you have to depict this scenario. So it's not necessary that you have seen some drawing somewhere and you have to copy that exactly. You have to have your own style of sketching. That is very necessary, that because our faculties in NIFT, they look for originality, and that is one of the focus that they give. And there is this one part for 2D and 3D sketching. So you have to be knowing about the perspectives and your angles, like 1-point perspective or 2-point perspective. So how to do that, you have to practice it very much. To get a high rank, you have to practice it daily, on a daily basis, and for that we have a lot of study material with Krishna Sir at PAHAL. So he is the person who has been taking over.
So here, I would like to add on the one thing is, he has talked about what all you are supposed to do it for your entrance exam. Now what I really want to know is what you have done in your exam, so that you got into NIFT Bangalore, right? That's a very important.
So
I think 2 years before, when you have given the exam, there are 3 questions. You must attempt it in a certain way, so you have a score more than 70, 80 or maybe 90 plus. That's what you are here in Bangalore, right?
Yeah. So I started with the questions which were of lesser marks, and I calculated the time. That was 3 hours. So I calculated that this question should get this many minutes, and all the over calculation, that the bigger question with 80 marks.
Here it's very important point she is adding it, like you have to talk about the calculation of your time management. So if 3-hour exam, so she started with the lesser mark question, and then you move on 30 and 40 marks.
I gave 5 to 10 minutes for lesser marks questions, so that I don't waste much of time for the question
second and third question.
Because the compositions and the color theory, they take more much more time.
Yeah, so composition and color you kept it for later.
Yeah.
Initially you start with the Swiggy and Crispy and this kind of
like
a question.
The questions which consisted shapes and the basic knowledge.
Alright. So that's right. So and then moving forward, like you have a second one. Did you attempt the color one or composition?
I attempted the color one because I studied about it and I was very sure that I know how the color warm colors and cool color works, because they really want your knowledge about all this color theory, because it is very important in design field.
Okay, and you got enough confidence for the last question after that, right?
That's right.
So that's a very nice way. So it's really a very important here Ria is sharing here the experiences. She started with the lesser marks question, then she move on to color and then the composition, right? Yeah, so anything else you want to add, like in this, especially for the CAT paper, I really want to
know. For the CAT paper, I would suggest that practice is very necessary and keep yourself memorizing. Like, it's very easy. If you guys are interested in design and sketching and art, you must be knowing about few basics. That is very necessary. And then practicing on your 2D and 3D sketches, like, because your technical drawings also carry a lot of marks. They judge you on that basis. They give you really high marks if your sketches and the angles at the sketches are very perfect. But if you're doing some random composition that they have asked, you can just give your originality. You can choose where to give your technicality and same way originality. That is very important. So you have to work on those areas.
What do you suggest the student to just started now? Like, suppose if somebody started after getting the admit card and hall ticket, the week is left now and they are having a board exam on the head. So what do you suggest them, like how they should prepare, how many hour drawing, how many hour aptitude, and how they should score a minimum at least to get cut up for the second round?
Yeah, sure. So there are a lot of question papers available online, even at PHEL site. If you ask them, they'll just give it you like that, and it's very necessary that you solve as many question papers as possible, because that is what I did myself for the last few days. I was just doing all the question papers that were possible and giving my time to the sketches and new ideas upon the question that they might ask for the new year. Like, how is their thinking going on next year and every year? Like, they asked these many questions since the past year, and this year they might kind of ask this question. So I was practicing and focusing on those areas. So, and sketching, I did at least 2 to 3 sketches, composition, big sketches every day, and solving GK, because GK is very necessary.
Well, so what she is trying to add is here you have to balance your both time, even your drawing or even your GAT paper. The both paper is really very important. And if it's a last minute, it's just a week left, so you can contact the PHEL Design. We will give you free mock paper as well. So yeah, you can check our website pheldesign.com, and you can, you will get your paper over there to write a mock paper and previous year paper as well.